Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox limiteds. These exclusive virtual items are highly sought after by many players. They often start at a specific price and can appreciate significantly, sometimes by hundreds or even thousands of Robux. Understanding the market and acting quickly are key to adding these valuable assets to your collection. Let's dive into the best strategies for acquiring them. One primary way to get limiteds is by purchasing them directly from the Roblox catalog when they are first released. These items are often available for a short period or in limited quantities, sometimes only a few hundred units. Another excellent method is trading with other players. You can offer items from your inventory in exchange for a limited you want. Always use the official Roblox trading system to keep your transactions safe and secure. For those looking for an edge, advanced tactics like sniping can be very effective. This involves being incredibly fast to purchase a limited item the moment it drops, often within seconds of its release. Many players use specialized browser extensions that provide real-time alerts and quick buy buttons. While some automated tools exist, always exercise caution and ensure they comply with Roblox's terms of service to avoid account issues. To maximize your chances of acquiring valuable limiteds, always keep a sufficient Robux balance ready for immediate purchases. Staying informed about upcoming releases through community forums and trusted sources is crucial. Understanding market trends, such as which item types tend to increase in value, can guide your decisions. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Not every attempt will be successful, but consistent effort yields results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.